Jank Kitchen back at it, smacking the mac, doing 100 mac and cheeses, and today it's buffalo chicken mac. First, I'm going to be mounting our buffalo sauce with some butter. I'm using half a stick of butter for half a bottle of buffalo sauce, but feel free to use more butter. We just want our butter to be in nice even slices. Once the buffalo sauce is heated up, we can turn the heat off and add our butter. We want to stir so it emulsifies into the sauce as opposed to splitting. Then we can move on to our chicken. I'm using 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that we can turn into cubes. And I'll set up 2 bowls. The first bowl will just get a couple of eggs. And the second bowl will just get some flour, salt, and pepper along with any spices you'd like to add. I'm using asafoetida because I didn't have any garlic or onion powder. The chicken also gets some salt and pepper. To bread our chicken, I'll give it a light coating of our flour mixture, then dunk it in our beaten eggs. Our egged up chicken can then be placed back into the flour mixture. And we want to really press our chicken into the flour mixture to give it a nice coating. These can get dropped into 350-degree neutral oil until they become nice and golden brown. After our chicken, I'll cook some noodles to al dente in some boiling salted water. Next, we can grate 100 grams of cheddar cheese. Get 100 grams of water heated up with a teaspoon of chicken bouillon and a couple teaspoons of cornstarch. Those can get whisked and heated until they come to a simmer. We'll also add a couple ounces of cream cheese along with our cheddar before immersion blending into a smooth cheese sauce. I don't know why, but I felt the need to transfer it into another pan before adding my noodles. I also added some extra cheddar for cheese ball and finished it off with some buffalo sauce just to have some buffalo flavor throughout. I plated my mac and topped it with some seasoned breadcrumbs along with my chicken and some extra buffalo sauce. Not a bad mac, not a bad mac at all. I will say I do like a sodium citrate blend for making the mac sauce better. Buffalo chicken mac's been something that's kind of been on the rise. Not bad. I give it like a 7-8. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more mac and cheese. Let me know if there's a mac and cheese you'd like to see in the future.